In 1971, Qantas commissioned Airfix to create a small run of their Avro 504K kit in the guise of the Qantas aircraft that was the first aircraft used by Qantas, the Queensland and Northern Territory Aerial Services Airways. So this kit was commissioned to give away apparently to business class passengers to celebrate the 50th anniversary, which was actually in 1970, of Qantas Airways. Now this apparently is now Airfix's rarest kit. I recently purchased this on eBay for the very reasonable amount of $150. So I didn't ever think I'd have one of these in my possession, having seen on a Google search the price £787 that was paid in 2006 for one of these on eBay. Now the kit it's not accurate to build as a Qantas aircraft. So this is the instruction sheet. There's a nice picture of the actual Avro 504K with the 6-cylinder inline liquid cooled Sunbeam Dyak dual updraft carburetor motor. So the kit unfortunately has a radial engine, which could be a Clerget, a Larone, or even a Gnome. So wouldn't know, but it's not an inline 6-cylinder Sunbeam Dyak, which it should be to be a Qantas aircraft. So you wouldn't want to build this kit. Well, you'd be mad to build it with it being as rare as it is. Possible only 130 were produced. So that's the back. I don't know if you can get a kit of an Avro 504K with a Sunbeam Dyak. Be interesting, because you can get the decals. You must be able to get a Sunbeam Dyak. So being from 1971, it's quite a simple kit, as you'd expect. Typical Airfix of that era, it comes with a stand so that you could build it as in-flight, but you don't get an in-flight propeller, so it'd be in-flight but your propeller would still be static. A couple of small sprues, and the actual Qantas aircraft was converted so that it could seat 2 passengers and the pilot. So the kit's nothing like the actual aircraft that Qantas flew. It's just an interesting curio, collector's item. Something I'll be able to brag about when I go to the toy swap meets. That's come off the sprue. So that's the Airfix .504K Qantas Airways. The rarest kit, even rarer than the original tractor. Massey Ferguson, I believe, is the first Airfix kit, so it's rarer than that.